What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Break channel. It's me, Tim, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a review of the Womier V-K66. I'm pretty sure is the name of this keyboard. I got this for only, I think it was 16 bucks on the Black Friday Amazon deal. Like, I know it's not Black Friday anymore, but I got this for 16 bucks when it was Black Friday. It's normally 20 bucks, I think, retail on Amazon. You can hear, I know I'm on my phone, so the mic isn't that good, but like, it sounds really nice. It has pre-lubed red switches in it. I changed the keycaps out. The original ones that came with, they don't look like amazing. They look nice. They look nice for what it comes with, but I had these like Japanese keycaps laying around, so I thought they would look nicer on this. Let's get into the review of this keyboard.
Shawty, I know you gon' hate me. I'm finna whip a Mercedes.
So as for the review for this keyboard, I think it's honestly a great keyboard. It's like, it's crazy that this thing is only like 16 to 20 bucks. Like, it sounds really good. It's really good for gaming. It has res switches. I've used Razer Huntsman Minis, HyperX Allo Origins Core. I have both those keyboards right here. Let me pull them out. Here is my Huntsman Mini here, and then my Allo Origins Core. And I honestly really like the sound and feel of the Womier V-K66 a lot better than these keyboards, as long as it just feels nice to use the keyboard, which it does on this one, because it has, like I said earlier, pre-lubed red switches, pre-lubed stabilizers too, so the spacebar is not rattly. I know it's on my phone mic still, but spacebar is really crispy. Backspace, all that for like 20 bucks, which is wild. I'm gonna show a clip of me playing games with it right now. It's a really good keyboard, honestly. Like, I don't know what else to say about it. It's great. The only downside that comes to it is the software is just really bad. Like, it's horrible. It looks like it's made in like 2003, bro. Like, and you can't even change the RGB from rainbow. Like, every single RGB mode is rainbow. But I mean, what do you expect for 16 bucks? But like, every single RGB mode is just a different variation of some type of rainbow fart, bro. Like, I kind of wanted that because my setup has a lot of RGB in it, but like, even though I'm using white lights right now, but like, I like doing RGB. I wish this thing had colored RGB and stuff other than just rainbow, but I mean, that's the only downside to it. And there's a method to turn it off. You just have to go to the music mode and then turn the, I think it's called the amplifying down to like 0, and then there's no RGB on it. But you have to do that every single time you open your PC, which is a little annoying, but I mean, it's whatever. But I'm selling my HyperX Allo Origins Core and my Huntsman Mini right now because I just think that this is a great keyboard for 16 bucks, like 20 bucks. I can't believe that this is like my main keyboard now. I have a 2 monitors crazy setup PC, and I'm using a $16 keyboard. Like, this thing is $6 more than the Google keyboard at Five Below, bro. Like, that's crazy. Like, this thing is actually really nice. All right, I'll see you guys. All right, see you.